What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best floor jack on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Jack Boss 3-ton low profile. The Jack Boss 3-ton low profile floor jack is a highly capable and cost-effective tool for car owners, DIY enthusiasts, and light to moderate automotive maintenance tasks. Its combination of strength, convenience, and practical engineering makes it a standout in budget-friendly garage essentials. At its core, the jack's 6,600-pound lifting capacity and minimal clearance height, under 4 inches, make it versatile enough for sports sedans, lowered cars, and SUVs alike. Equipped with a dual-piston quick lift system, it requires just a few pumps to raise the vehicle into position, saving both time and wrist fatigue. Once lifted, the 360-degree swivel casters keep the jack nimble and easy to position across tight garage floors. Constructed from quality materials, aluminum billet chassis reinforced with welded steel, the unit balances durability with manageable weight. Safety is prioritized via ANSI/ASME PACE certification, an internal bypass valve to prevent overloading, and a rubber saddle to protect vehicle surfaces. The 1-year warranty adds peace of mind for hobbyists and occasional users. Although not intended for prolonged vehicle support, jack stands are essential for working underneath. The jack performs reliably when properly used. A few users have reported the handlebar feeling less stable near maximum height, but these are isolated incidents and often avoidable if lifted on level surfaces and secured with stands. What truly sets Jack Boss apart is its value proposition. It matches many features found in professional-grade jacks, like high lift capacity, fast pumping action, and ergonomic mobility, at a fraction of the price. Whether you're changing tires, performing brake maintenance, or rotating wheels, the Jack Boss offers impressive functionality for routine car care without breaking the bank. It's a smart addition to any garage toolkit, combining safety, efficiency, and reliability. In our list, the number 4 product name is VEVOR 3-ton low profile. VEVOR 3-ton low profile floor jack is made with a combination of aluminum and steel, which helps it stay strong while still being easy to move. This jack is colored yellow and black and is built to support sport utility vehicles and other common car types. The lifting range is wide enough to meet many needs, including working on family cars and trucks. It reaches up to 19.68 inches and has a starting lift height just under 4 inches. It includes a quick lift system with dual pistons that helps raise the vehicle with fewer strokes. This makes the process faster and requires less effort. The body size is 29.5 by 14.6 by 7.1 inches, which fits well in most garages or workspaces. The wheels on the jack allow it to roll and turn smoothly. The back wheels can rotate fully, which makes it easy to steer and position under different vehicles. This jack includes a foam padded handle and a rubber saddle that help prevent damage to the car during lifting. The handle is about 45 inches long and built with a 2-part system, so it can be taken apart and stored without taking up too much room. The saddle is designed to turn all the way around and can be removed and replaced if needed. The construction and safety systems follow multiple international standards, including certifications from Europe and the United Kingdom. It also meets guidelines from the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. The internal design avoids going beyond safe weight levels and is made to last through extended use. For first use, it is important to loosen the bolt at the handle, fully insert it, then tighten the bolt to hold it in place securely. In our list, the number 3 product name is AV Steel 3-ton floor jack. AV Steel 3-ton floor jack is designed to help lift different types of cars, including trucks and sport utility vehicles. This heavy-duty hydraulic model supports up to 6,600 pounds and works well in home garages and repair shops. It comes with a single piston pump that helps raise the vehicle from 5.5 inches up to 18.5 inches without much effort. The jack is built from strong steel that gives it a solid structure for steady lifting tasks. Its shape measures about 26.4 by 14.2 by 8.3 inches, giving it a suitable size for use and storage. Rear wheels that can turn all the way around make it easier to roll and move the jack where it needs to go. It fits many types of vehicles and works for tasks like tire changes, brake work, or underbody checks. A key part of the design is the safety overload system, which helps keep both the user and the car safe. It prevents lifting beyond safe limits. A saddle that rotates fully allows for better contact under the car, which helps with secure lifting. This part is helpful when trying to place the jack exactly where needed. This car tool is built to follow important safety guidelines set by the American National Standards Institute and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. It supports those who want something dependable for lifting without relying on electric power or air pressure systems. Buyers can feel more at ease because the product includes a full 1-year warranty covering material or design issues. Support from customer service is available at any time of day. To make sure it works properly with your vehicle, it is good to check the specifications before choosing. In our list, the number 2 product name is Yellow Jacket 3-ton floor jack. Yellow Jacket 3-ton car jack is built with a full aluminum body that keeps it light to move while staying strong during lifting. The frame is designed to support up to 6,600 pounds, making it a good choice for common vehicle types including family cars, trucks, and sport utility vehicles. Its compact body shape measures 25.6 by 12.6 by 6.3 inches, making it easy to place in a garage or car trunk. The lifting action starts from about 3.75 inches and reaches a top height close to 18.9 inches. This allows enough space to work under the car during maintenance or repair. The dual pump system helps raise the vehicle quicker than single pump designs, saving time during work. The handle is built for better grip, helping the user stay in control while operating. A rubber top on the lifting saddle helps protect the vehicle surface during use. A padded section along the handle adds comfort while pumping. These parts are included to reduce marks or damage on painted or metal areas. The floor jack also includes a safety system that controls the load and prevents it from going above the supported level. The movement system includes strong wheels in the front and swivel casters in the back. These parts allow smooth rolling across the floor and help position the jack exactly where needed. A side grip is included so the jack can be picked up and moved easily when not in use. This model follows important safety rules set by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Its lightweight frame and easy movement system make it helpful for daily car jobs in repair shops or at home. Its durable build and secure design support safe use over time. In our list, the number 1 product name is TONDA floor jack. TONDA floor jack is designed to handle 2 tons of weight, making it a useful choice for lifting most cars and trucks. Its structure is made from aluminum and steel, which gives strength while staying light enough to carry. The jack is painted in blue and comes in a size close to 18.9 by 5.3 by 13.98 inches. This compact shape allows it to fit into small storage spaces or garages without taking up much room. The lifting range begins from 3.35 inches and goes up to nearly 14 inches, allowing it to support many low-clearance vehicles. A fast dual pump setup helps the jack raise the car in less time, making tasks like changing tires or checking the underside more efficient. This speed helps when time is limited and work needs to be done quickly. A large rubber piece at the top supports the frame of the car during lifting. This design protects painted surfaces or metal areas from damage. It also fits snugly against the seam under the car, which adds stability during use. This helps reduce slips or movement when lifting from the right spot. 2 wheels at the back of the jack can turn fully around. This makes moving the jack around the floor easy, especially in tight spaces. It can roll into position with little effort and adjust to match the needed spot under the car. A built-in handle on the side helps with lifting and carrying. This part adds comfort when moving the jack to different locations or storing it after the job. The combination of light materials, solid design, and smooth movement makes this jack helpful for home use or small workshops handling daily car tasks.